Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, your global sales coach, and this week we're talking about success stories. Now, one of the things that you've heard me talk about over and over again is if you don't have success stories, quite honestly, I don't know how you're selling these days. When I set an agenda at the beginning of my sales calls, so my sales calls always go like this. I validate time. Hey Bob, thanks so much for the 20 minutes. Do we still have 20 minutes? Boom. Second thing is I set my agenda. My first agenda item is always, Bob or Bonnie, whatever, I'd love to share with you what's working for my other clients. That's the first agenda item. Now I've got a stat here on my screen, and 63% of people remember stories. Only about 5% of people remember statistics. So if you think about that, I don't know how to sell without success stories. Now, it's a little bit of name dropping. I get it. Be ethical in how you do this. But nobody wants to be the pioneer out there that's taking the arrows in the back. Sure, people want new ideas, but they also want proof in the pudding. They want to know who else has done this. How has it worked for them? Whatever it is that you're selling. Just remember, 63% of people remember a good story. Only about 5% of people remember stats. Success stories sell. So lead with your happy clients. Show those new clients how much you love your current clients. Share success stories. Make it a part of your sales deck. Don't lead with your company history. Nobody cares about your company history. I don't. Your clients don't. They don't care. Lead with success stories. If you do it, friends, I think you'll engage and you'll move the conversation further, faster. But also don't forget, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it. And they're not. So we're either crazy, it's possible, or we found careers, friends, that will feed our families for a lifetime. Hey, I'm vaccinated. I had COVID and I'm vaccinated, back out on the road, training sales teams just like yours. Love to come to your town, come to your sales conference. Reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. All right, take care, friends. We'll see you next week.